Hello everyone, this is my review for the Melt Thermogenic Fat Burner. It's a fat burning supplement for increasing your metabolism while you're trying to lose weight. It also suppresses your appetite so you're not as hungry or eat as many meals while you're trying to lose weight. This product does have caffeine in it, so I will be aware of that. But it does help boost your energy when you're working out and throughout the day. And I have noticed an increase of fat loss when I started taking this compared to when I wasn't taking it. The only thing odd about it is that it has 60 capsules in it, but it has such a huge bottle. As you can see, it doesn't fill the whole bottle up, so the bottle doesn't need to be this big. But other than that, it's a pretty good product, and I hope this review helps.